A cold virus attacks the body, and instantly every organ freezes, panics, and blames each other for letting the intruder slip inside. The lungs cough nonstop, angry they couldn't block the cold before it spread. The brain admits it's lagging because cold symptoms turn thinking into a slow-motion mess. The stomach complains everything feels heavy because the cold shuts down its rhythm. The intestines feel frozen, barely strong enough to push anything forward. The liver fights hardest, trying to warm the body and clean out the cold, but it's exhausting. The kidneys warn dehydration is creeping in because colds drain the body faster than it thinks. The whole body erupts into frozen chaos, everyone blaming each other while the virus keeps spreading. The immune system arrives, warming the body and fighting off the cold with everything it has. Together, they recover, breathing easier, thinking clearer, and finally defeating the cold as one team.